Hi guys, this is Tina with Everyday Home with Tina, and a part of my everyday home is my everyday life, and a part of my everyday life is cooking for my family. So I have a recipe for you today, and it is one of the easiest recipes for salsa that you could ever make. Now this is the restaurant style salsa, the salsa that you get when you go to a good Mexican restaurant that's easy to dip and is oh so delicious. So I want to start out by telling you what we're gonna have in it. You need a 28-ounce can of either whole or diced tomatoes. I'm using whole with the juices. A half a small, a half of a small red onion diced up, two jalapenos that have been seeded and the membranes removed, 1 cup of cilantro. I love cilantro. You're gonna use two garlic cloves chopped up, kosher salt, and a half of a lime. So those are the items that you need to make this delicious salsa. Oh, one of the most important things you're going to need is a blender or food processor. So what you're going to do is just start putting the items into the blender or food processor. This is the tomatoes with its juices. Next, I'm going to put in the jalapenos. Now, you can use as many jalapenos as you like it hot. I'm using two. This is a half of a red onion that's been diced up, and you can coarsely dice it. You don't have to finely dice it because the food processor is going to do that. Coarsely chopped, two cloves coarsely chopped of garlic, and 1 cup of cilantro. And then you're going to take that half of, you're going to put some salt, the kosher salt in on, that's the way I did. I just sprinkled it on top. You're going to use, for the kosher salt, that's a 1 tablespoon. Or you can do it to taste. And then you're going to squeeze your lemon over it. So now that you've blended everything up, you want to, I'm using a mason jar to store it in. I'm going to put it in the mason jar once everything is blended up. Now you can see that it's blended, but it's not so fine that you can't see the items that you have in the salsa. But if you don't want to see it, just pulverize it. Just blend it until you can't see anything. This is really according to taste, the way you like it. So I'm going to put the top on the salsa, and I'm going to store it in the refrigerator for, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And after those 30 minutes, I'm going to take it out and taste it. Now here we go. Now here we go with our chips. These are store-bought chips. Dip it in, and you can see the consistency of the salsa, and it's so delicious. I want to thank you for watching. Let me know if you decide to make it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.